Hi there, I'm Jan from janandalicia.com, and thank you for coming through and checking out this video. Recently we've been receiving a lot of compliments and questions about the images that we post on Facebook and Pinterest and on our website. And I just wanted to shoot a quick video to show you how we edit images to get them ready to be posted on Facebook and Pinterest and our website. So the idea with this video is to take you through the process of editing a photo to post on this Facebook page of ours called A Bucket List Lifestyle. We post, amongst other things, we post bucket list ideas. So I want to show you how I edit an image to look something like this one over here, which is a bucket list item, visit New Zealand, or like this one over here. So the first thing you need to do is find an image. Three places I can recommend to go. The first place is Pixabay, which is a kind of like a community site where anyone can upload photos that they've taken onto the site, and then you can sign up and download the images and use them for whatever you want. They're all royalty free. You could also visit a blog that Alicia wrote, and she created a bunch of background images that are free to download and also royalty free, like these over here. Or you can go to the place that I go to most of the time, which is Dollar Photo Club. Pretty cool service and website where you can download images, and each image only costs $1, and they're really high quality, and yeah, they've got loads of images you can search for. So the bucket list item I want to post today is to visit the Hermanus Whale Festival in South Africa. So I went into Dollar Photo Club, and the whales that visit South Africa during the festival are the southern right whales, and I selected this image over here. So the software that we use to edit these images is Picmonkey. It's a web-based software, and it's pretty simple to use. There are two versions of Picmonkey. There's a paid version and also a free version. They're both awesome. You guys can go on over and check them out and decide whether you want to go for the paid version or not. I'll put a link in the video's description. So once you're in Picmonkey, you have two main options, I feel, for when you're creating images for or editing images for Facebook or Pinterest. You can either upload an image from your computer, or you can go to design and you can choose the size that you want the image to be. I usually choose design and select a custom size, because I will explain later on why I do that. But the size that I've found that works nicely for both Facebook and Pinterest is an image that is 1925 by 2764 pixels. It looks nice on Pinterest. It's not too long horizontally, which would make it fade away in between other pins, and on Facebook it fits nicely into your post. So let's say make it. Then you're gonna get this blank canvas over here. You can change the color if you wanted to, but it's not necessary since we're gonna put an image over it. So click on that and close it. Then you want to insert the image that you've downloaded or found that's on your computer. To do that, you go on the left hand side and you click on this little butterfly for overlays, and you choose your own, and then you go to where you've saved the image on your computer, and here it is, the one that I want to use. Open that. Now you'll see it opens it very small, but don't worry, the quality is the same quality as the image is that you've downloaded. This one's something like 4,000 pixels by something, so it's very high quality. And you can just then enlarge it and make sure that it covers all the white if you wanted to. And then the reason why I choose to go custom is because if I uploaded it from my computer, I would have to crop it, and then when I've cropped it, I can't move it around like this to see where I feel the text would fit in nicely. So I can either use it over there or move it a little bit this way over there. I'm thinking this side looks nicer. Yes, let's put it over there. So that is what the background of the image would look like before I put any text in. Now, to make it easy to work with the text box, I'll move this image out of the way a little bit. I've got an idea of where the text is going to go, so I'll move this out of the way, and then I'll go. And to insert text, you click on the text tab here on the left hand side, and then it takes its time. Okay, you can click on a blank space to let that selection go away, and then click on add text, click in the box and type, this is visit the Hermanus Whale Festival, South Africa. Okay, so there you have some text. Now here on the left hand side you've got a whole bunch of options for the font that you'd like to use. You'll see some of them, I don't know, yes, some of these, like if it has a little crown next to it, it means it's Royale, so that's the paid version. The rest of them are all available in the free version, so you see you have quite a lot of options over here, and they also keep adding new ones, which is quite cool. So let's look for a nice font that would go with the idea and the item, the bucket list item. I think, let's check this one. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, so drag it up to where you want it positioned. You can enlarge it by clicking, left clicking, holding down, and then dragging it down. Now let's take this image up and see how it fits. Yeah, I think that fits pretty nicely. Okay, now as you can see, the black isn't really going to work, so we need to change the color of the text. There are several ways you can go about it. You can either just select the text and then click and drag this around to change the color, or what I like to do is use a color that's in the image somewhere else that would stand out on the background that I'll put the text on. So how I do that is, if you use Chrome, you can go to the Chrome store and just download this app. It's a color picker app, color pick eyedropper. Click on that, and then it creates that little cross, and wherever you drag it you can select that color. This orange looks like a color that would fit nicely to the writing. Let's choose that over there, copy that, close, and then over here you can put in the code for that color, paste it and hit enter. Alright, let's see what that looks like. Yeah, I think that looks pretty nice. Okay, so now you've got your text, you've got your image, and if you want to do a little bit more customization and make it your own and brand it, you can put in a watermark. Alicia did a very cool blog post on how to create watermarks in Picmonkey. I will also put the link for that in the video's description. So your own, these are the ones that Alicia's created. So I am going to choose that one, select it, click open, there it is, drag it down, and then the other one is our website, that one over there, select it and then drag it down. Now these you can paste anywhere you want, and you can also rotate them over here if you wanted them to run along the side of something. But yeah, for this one I would just like them to be right here in the middle at the bottom. This image is getting in the way again, so just click and drag it out of the way, and then janandalicia.com. Let's move that up slightly, move that up slightly. Yes, that looks like it's pretty much in the middle. Then I would like for it to be the same color as this text, so I would go back and copy this. If you're on Windows, Control C. If you're on Mac, I think it's Command C, and copy that. Click on a bucket list lifestyle, paste it in there, hit enter, click on that watermark, paste it, hit enter. Okay, let's see what we've got. Yeah, there we go. So created an image, it took a few minutes and it looks professional, and it has your watermark for your website on it, and it's ready to be posted wherever you want it to go. I just want to move this around slightly. Yes. Okay. Awesome. And now you can save it. Click on save. Here you can choose the quality of the image. Roger, like the guys at Picmonkey say, not great quality, tiny file size, and also Pierce or Sean, I think. But you want to pay attention to the file size, like 3.9 megabytes. That is massive. If you're planning on putting this, well, not massive, but it's big. If you're planning on putting it on your website, it's going to take a while to load. So for this one I would rather choose Pierce. Save to my computer, select where you want to save it. Let's save it there. I'll choose that. And call it edited. Okay, save. And there you have it, saved onto your computer. Now you want to go and post it either on Pinterest or Facebook. And Facebook, all you need to do is click on the photo, select it, open it, and on Pinterest you can just go to add a pin from your computer and choose the image and upload it. So let's go through the Pinterest one. Now, a bucket list lifestyle is a Facebook page that we manage. There's no website or anything like that. So when someone in Pinterest finds the image, I want them to go through to Facebook, to the Facebook page. I don't want them to go through to my website or our website. But I also don't want them to just go through to the image itself. You want your image to lead the person that clicks on it to something. So let's just hold on for this to upload. Let's close that. Close that. Okay. So over here we can say, what is it about? Let's say visit the Hermanus Whale Festival, South Africa. Yeah, okay, and then let's just keep it like that for now and say pin it. And then the image that you've just edited that looked like this one in the beginning now looks like this one. Awesome. A bucket list lifestyle, janandalicia.com. Visit the Hermanus Whale Festival, South Africa. My internet's a bit slow, so the quality is not picking up. And then, there it goes. Okay, so now the important thing is you want this image to go somewhere. If I click on the image, because I uploaded it from my computer, if I click on the image now, it will take me to a new page. It will open a new page in your browser, and all it would be is the image. And that doesn't help me to get people through to my Facebook page where I want them to go. So what you need to do is, you can close here. You can hover over the image and then click on this pencil. It will then open a new window, and at the bottom you see there's a place where you can enter a source. So go back to a bucket list lifestyle, select the link or to your website, copy it and then paste it in the source area and save changes. Now if we click on the image and it opens it up, and you click on it, it will open a new page in the browser and take you right through to a bucket list lifestyle on Facebook. So yeah, that is in a nutshell how you can edit images to make them look cool in Pinterest and on Facebook. So if you go over to Picmonkey, you'll see they've got loads of other options that you could go through. Go ahead, play around with it. It's free. Like I said, I'll put the link in the video's description. So yes, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video and have fun.